और इसीलिए God said in John 4:24, you have to worship me, you must worship me in spirit and in truth. फ्लैश में नहीं होगा, फ्लैश में आप जितना स्ट्रेंथ भी देगा, even if you pray day and night, your prayers and you will not be seen by God. But as you enter into portal, as you enter in spiritual, God will see you. और उसी दिन आपका जितना प्रेयर है वो आंसर हो जाएगा. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
आपको याद है ऐसे प्रेइंग ना, अभी हम लोग जब प्रे कर रहा था तो हम ऐसे देख रहे थे ना, आदम के लिए हम देख रहा था, आदम का राइट हैंड में ना एक रिंग था, तो वो हैंड इन हैंड हम प्रे कर रहे फिर भी वो चीज नहीं होगा. फ्री वुमन शुड गो फ्रीली बिकॉज वो शी इज ए वुमन ऑफ प्रोमिस, और उसने प्रोमिस सन निकलेगा ना, है कि नहीं. बट बोर्न वुमन इज cursed and she is in bondage, so she cannot partake with the free woman. Free woman, आपको सब एक साथ बोलेगा, free woman and born woman cannot go together.
Free woman and born woman cannot go together.
तो हम लोग उसमें ये सीखा था ना कि born woman is from flesh and they are in bondage, so we cannot be in the flesh. If we say we are in spirit, we have to be in spirit and in truth, because we are the children of free woman and we are the children of promise. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Tell to your neighbor, I am a child of free woman.
I am a child of free woman.
और बोलिए, I live in spirit.
I live in spirit.
I live in spirit.
I live in spirit.
I don't live by sight.
I don't live by
I
sight.
live in spirit and in truth.
I live in spirit and in truth.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
आपको बोला ना, God is spirit and we must worship Him in spirit and in truth. Because and Lord said He cast out the born woman and her son. उसका मतलब everything that is related to flesh and the result of flesh, you have to remove it. You have to cast it off from your life, because you are spiritual and you have no relationship with the born woman. But you also have to know that this born woman and free woman, these seeds जो उससे निकला है ना, they came out from the same loin. But still, God has chosen the seed of free